Naga Rengma LP School, situated at Sati Rengma village under Nilip constituency, was established in the year 1949. It has completed 73 years since its establishment. But looking at the condition of Naga Rengma School in this visual, what's your point of view regarding this? There are many government lower primary schools and high schools under Nilip constituency which are deprived from proper school infrastructure, teachers, school essential materials, and many more. If we really want to uplift and transform the education system in Nilip constituency, there are many things to be done, starting right from the scratch. In many schools with good number of students, we can see the absence of teacher most of the time. Meanwhile, we can also see some schools with good number of teachers but with less number of students enrolled in the school. And in some school, appointed with only a headmaster are entrusted with the responsibilities of BLO works by the government. Likewise, Naga Rengma LP School, located at Sati Rengma village, adjacent to Kadom Ari, my village under Nilip constituency, is standing in a desolated condition due to the insufficiency of teacher strength, absence of teachers' quarter, office room, sanitary system, and many more. The total number of students enrolled this year at this school is 11.
Itu school to all of on-site area dia hoise na to gaon gila soa mila to na aru moi new posting paisu 2018 sonat aru 2 সাল to ale ene lockdown kol ifale itu asal all bhalo kore bisari asu
Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live.